Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bitly account, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Bitly website at www.bitly.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the account creation process. You will see several options for signing up, including using an email address or connecting through Google. If you choose to sign up with an email, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. After entering your email and password, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. If you opted to use Google, click the Google option and follow the prompts to log into your Google account. Once you have successfully signed up, check your email for a confirmation message from Bitly. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Bitly homepage and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, then click on Login to access your new account. You may be prompted to set up your profile by adding your name and other relevant details. Follow the additional prompts to customize your account settings. Once your profile is complete, you can start using Bitly to shorten URLs. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with Bitly's features and tools. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Bitly account and are ready to create short links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.